हॅलो स्टुडंट, आज आपण स्टडी करणार आहे डिफरन्शिएशन. फार इम्पॉर्टंट चॅप्टर आहे. ऑलरेडी काही टॉपिक आपण कंप्लीट केले आहेत. आज आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. फार इम्पॉर्टंट फंक्शन आहे. नेहमी इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शनवरती स्टेट बोर्डला पण क्वेश्चन विचारले जातात आणि CET मध्ये पण क्वेश्चन विचारले जातात. सो लेट्स वी स्टार्ट. So this is the first and most important question. हा question भरपूरदा विचारला गेला आहे. So now here, if x raised to y equal to e raised to x minus y, show that the derivative of this question with respect to x log x divided by 1 plus log of x bracket square. So for solving this question जर तुम्ही properly observation केला, so हा जो question solve करायचा by using taking log on both side. So very simple. Now here function x raised to y is given. जेव्हा पण तुम्हाला function raised to function observation दिसेल, तो क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइडने सॉल्व करायचे. सो देअरफॉर टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड, so we take the log of x raised to y equal to log of e raised to x minus y. Remember the formulas of logarithm. तीन important properties है. First property multiplication, second division, and last exponential. So out of all three properties we apply, and most important observation, we use log of m raised to n, exponential third number की property. So n into log of m, simple FR. So apply. So for applying, after applying this both here, so we get y into log of x equal to x minus y into log of e. Remember the value of log of e is 1. So therefore we substitute log e equal to 1. So what is remaining? Y into log of x equal to x minus y. So y is negative on right hand side, take it left hand side, so it becomes y into log x plus y equal to x. In left hand side जर तुम्ही observation केलं, so both terms log y is present, so therefore we just taking the common y, so we get here, so that is 1 plus log of x into y equal to x. So from here we get the value of y is y equal to x divided by 1 plus log of x. So this is the very simple. We convert y is the function of f of x, and clearly observation है x divided by 1 plus log x, numerator and denominator जे पण आहेत दोघं रेशो मध्ये आहेत, and we know that what is the property of division. According to that we solve. So we differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx apply on both sides. So here we write the question. Properly observation kara. X is the numerator and 1 plus log x denominator. Using the property of derivative of division, डिव्हिजन प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे, फार सिंपल आहे. डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ यू डिवायडेड बाय व्ही. एकदम सिंपल तुम्ही वेने तुम्ही त्याला लक्षात ठेवू शकता. डिनॉमिनेटरचा स्क्वेअर, डिनॉमिनेटर ॲज इट इज, जो पण ॲबसेंट आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, दॅट इज डी यू बाय डी एक्स. टेक मायनस साइन, न्यूमरेटर ॲज इट इज, and now take the derivative of absent, that is dv. So by applying this formula we solve. So we get 1 plus log x denominator square, denominator as it is, take the derivative of numerator, that is x, minus, after that numerator as it is x, and take the derivative of what is remaining, denominator, 1 plus log of x. So then 1 plus denominator as it is 1 plus log of x bracket square. Now this is 1 plus log of x as it is. What is the derivative of x? According to the x raised to n formula, derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of 1 constant term है त्याचा derivative 0 and log x चा derivative 1 upon x. So 0 plus 1 upon x, only 1 upon x, x get cancelled and we get the answer dy by dx 1 plus log x minus 1 divided by 1 plus log x bracket square. And final answer is dy by dx equal to simple है plus 1 and minus 1 cancel will log x divided by 1 plus log of x brackets. So in such way that we prove that question simple है, just फक्त तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. इफ यू रिमेंबर फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शन प्रेझेंट असेल ऑलवेज सॉल्व टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइडने सॉल्व करायचे. and after taking the log on both sides, simple formula log चा raised to power, whenever the power is given it is multiplied. त्या question मध्ये log of x raised to y is the exponent, power come to the multiplication, here x minus y complete term power है, so come to multiplication log e, we know that one, and simple form करून negative तिकडे जाईल positive, taking common y common काढला मध्ये 1 plus log x तो divide ला जाईल, and after taking divide simple derivative घ्यायचा आहे. So but when you take the derivative, here we clearly observe that numerator and denominator म्हणजे division आहे आणि division property तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. Denominator चा square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is and derivative of denominator. हे simple way ने जर तुम्ही practice केली, so you can complete the question. त्याच्यानंतर फक्त simple format मध्ये लिहून derivatives तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. Constant चा derivative 0, log x चा derivative 1 upon x and x चा derivative 1. तो simple आपण apply केलं and we get final answer. So take the screenshot and write the question. Question complete करा. Easy question आहे, तुम्हाला यायला पाहिजे. Simple question आहे, काहीच hard नाही त्याच्यामध्ये. Okay, first question complete. Now we solve question number second. हा पण क्वेश्चन सिमिलर आहे, एकदम इझी फॉर कॅल्क्युलेशन साठी. परत जर आपण ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं x raised to y, that is function raised to function. Remember, whenever there is a function raised to function, solve the questions by using the taking the derivative. So simple first step is taking derivative means taking log on both side. So taking log on both side, then use the property of log of m raised to n equal to n into log of m. Exponential property use करायची, apply करा. So you get log x log a equal to y into log of x. So from here log e answer is 1, so only x is remains. So from here we can write y equal to x divided by log of x. Simple, परत आपण कन्वर्ट केलं, y is the function of log x, x and log x, that is ratio. Whenever we observe that the terms are in ratio, that is division, so solve the derivative of that term by using the division property of derivative. And remember the formula of division property of derivative. So write down the question and then we differentiate that question with respect to x we get. So apply dy dx on both sides. Okay, so mind मध्ये लक्षात करायचं, can you remember the formula of division property of derivative? Anyone? If you remember, just write the formula. Formula is very simple. Denominator square, denominator as it is, take the derivative of numerator, minus numerator as it is, take the derivative of denominator. एकदम सिंपल आहे. डिनॉमिनेटरचा स्क्वेअर डिवाइडला, देन ॲट द न्यूमरेटर साईडला डिनॉमिनेटर ॲज इट इज, टेक द डेट ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, मायनस साइन numerator as it is, take the date of denominator. So apply this formula. So after applying we get the answer denominator square denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, and now it is x, minus x as it is on a derivative of log of x. So you just remember the derivative of x, that is 1, and derivative of log of x, that is 1 upon x. All remaining terms are as it is. So we get the answer log x as it is, derivative of x is 1, x as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x. So both x get cancelled, simple question, and denominator same, right? So we get final answer dy by dx log x minus 1 divided by log x bracket square. So we get the similar answer. So in such way that we solve question for simple आहे, एकदा परत रिवाइज करून दाखव. जेव्हा पण तुम्हाला फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शन दिसेल त्याला टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइडने सॉल्व करायचं. सो टेकिंग log on both side, apply the log on both side, raised to power is given, so exponential formula use करायचा logच्या. So we get log each answer 1, so only x remain. Y solve log x multiplication ला जाताना divide, differentiate with respect to x. When you take the derivative, we observe that both are terms in division using the division property of derivative formula तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. And when we write as it is into the format, here x derivative is 1, log x चा derivative 1 upon x. 1 upon x आणि x get cancel. हा x 1 log x ला multiply करा, answer log x. हे final answer येईल. So make the notes, write down the question complete, or either you can take the screenshot. So next example, again similar way ने solve करायचे. What is given here? E raised to y equal to y raised to x. परत function raised to function. Can you tell me how to solve when the question of function raised to function? By taking log on both side. So simple है, taking log on both side ने solve करायचे. Taking log on both side. So what we get? Log of e raised to y, log of y raised to x. परत तुम्हाला यूज करायचे log of exponential property. And what is the log of exponential property? So log of m raised to n equal to n into log of m. So here we get y into log of e equal to x into log of y. Simple. Exponential or power becomes multiplication. Log the property. And what is the value of log of e? 1. So y into 1, that is y equal to x into log of y. Simple. So from here we can write x equal to y divided by log of y. And we have to solve the differentiate with respect to x we get. So simple, apply dy by dx on both sides, we get the final answer. So dx by dx, that is d by dx, x is there, d by dx, y divided by log of y. Simple. हा जो question बनला, x is the function of y. What we have to calculate? पाहून घ्यायचे y with respect to x. So therefore we take with respect to x. What is the derivative of x? That is 1. And next two terms of y, both are in division. Remember, what is the property of division? The derivative of division functions. How to solve? Everyone know that d by dx of u divided by v is equal to denominator square. Simple, remember, denominator as it is, परत numerator चा square, minus u into dv by dx. आतापर्यंत फॉर्म्युला रिमेंबर पाहिजे तुम्हाला. तो फॉर्म्युला ॲज इट इज अप्लाय करायचा. u मीन्स y आणि log of y completely v. सो सिमिलर वेने सॉल्व करायचे. सो log y bracket square, log y as it is, take the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, minus y as it is, and take the derivative of log of y. So simple, दोनच टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा. ऑलरेडी दिस इज dy by dx, and what is the derivative of log of y? Remember, 1 upon y dy by dx. Log x चा derivative 1 upon x, and इकडे y, that is 1 upon y dy by dx. So we get 1 equal to log of y as it is into dy by dx minus y into what is the rate of log of y, 1 upon y dy by dx. परत y get cancel and log y bracket square. Simple है, denominator goes to multiplication, right hand side, left hand side, and 1 into log of y bracket square as it is. So log of y bracket square equal to what is remaining? Simple. Now here dy by dx is present, त्याच्यामुळे coefficient है log y, and dy by dx y cancel only 1 है. Both terms dy by dx is common, so take common. So dy by dx is same, so therefore we take common. So what is remaining? Log y minus 1 into dy by dx. Final we solve dy by dx. So that is log of y bracket square ही टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशनला त्या साईडला जाताना डिवाइडला. सो डिवाइडेड बाय log y minus 1. We get the question complete. This is our solution. So in such way that we solve the question. Question easy, understood? समजलं सगळ्यांना? सिंपल आहे. तुम्हाला फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचे फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लॉगने सॉल्व्ह करायचे. टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, लॉग ऑफ एम रेस टू एन यूज करायचं. जिथं पण एक्सपोनेन्शियल आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशनला, हा एक्सपोनेन्शियल दॅट इज पॉवर आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशनला, एक्सपोनंट पॉवर आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशनला. लॉग ईचा आन्सर 1. सिंपल आलं. याच्यानंतर आपण एक्सला काढलं, वाय बोथ आर इन डिव्हिजन. वाय बिकॉज वी कॅन यूज द सिंपल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ डिव्हिजन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी यूज केली डिव्हिजन प्रॉपर्टी. सिंपल लक्षात ठेवायचे डिनोमिनेटरचा स्क्वेअर, नंतर डिनोमिनेटरचा स्क्वेअर ॲट डिनोमिनेटर प्लस वरती डिनोमिनेटर ॲज इट इज, यूचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस यू ॲज इट इज व्हीचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, अँड फक्त दोन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दॅट इज लॉग वाय 1 अपॉन वाय डिवाइड बाय dx. And then after just calculate y get cancel, दोघांमध्ये dy by dx same होता. Taking common, what is remaining goes to divide that side and we get final answer. Take the derivative or take the screenshot, sorry, take the screenshot or write down the question fast. We go for the next question. So this is the next question, again very easy for solving. So can you solve this question by using the function raised to function is there? No, remember that it is not function raised to function and we cannot solve the taking log on both sides. So remember that log ची property लक्षात ठेवा, log of m into n, the answer of this log m plus log of n. This simple है, log m plus log n LHS and RHS properly observation करा. इकडे प्लस मध्ये दिलं, when you take the log we cannot solve, so directly taking the derivative. So here not use function raised to function, that is taking log on both side, direct take the derivative because दोन टर्म्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये नाही आहेत. जर मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये राहिलं असतं आपण टेकिंग डेरिव्हेटिव्ह केलं असतं आणि इक्वल टू आन्सर हे आलं असतं. सो डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ e raised to x plus e raised to y, d by dx of e raised to x plus y. And remember what is the derivative of e raised to x? Everyone know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x as it is. So first e raised to x is derivative e raised to x, e raised to y is derivative e raised to y, and then again dy by dx equal to e raised to x is derivative as it is, that is e raised to x means e raised to x plus y. Again we take the derivative of x plus y. X derivative is 1 with respect to x and y derivative is dy by dx. Simple, just multiply this bracket expansion करायचं आहे. So what is the bracket expansion? 1 multiplied to e raised to x plus y as it is plus dy by dx multiplied to this term. So x plus y into dy by dx. Next here e raised to x plus e raised to y dy by dx. Remember when we solving the question of implicit function ची question solve करताना after taking the derivative, right hand side ला all dy by dx term and left hand solve करताना very simple है. After the taking the derivative, left hand side take all the derivative terms, that is dy by dx, and right hand side without dy by dx term लिहायचं. So now here this is the dy by dx term and this is the dy by dx term. So we write both terms. So e raised to y dy by dx minus e raised to x plus y dy by dx equal to, simple है. Next, e raised to x plus y term as it is, right hand side आणि ही term है, that is without dy by dx term goes to right hand side. Here it is positive, when it goes to that side it becomes negative e raised to x. Simple. And when we observe that here left hand side dy by dx taking common, so when we taking the common dy by dx, so what is present inside the bracket? E raised to y minus e raised to x plus y dy by dx equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. So what is the value of dy by dx? Question is very easy. So this is our answer. But what is given? We have to solve this. So definitely we have to elaborate some terms. But when we observe here e raised to x plus y and here e raised to x plus y, if you observe the question, already here answer is given. So we can replace e raised to x plus y by e raised to x plus e raised to y. So simple substitution. Substitution is all correction. So put the value of this, that is e raised to x plus e raised to y minus e raised to x on divide. E raised to y minus, what is the answer of this? E raised to x plus e raised to y. So on the denominator, make the bracket expansion. Before that, we observe this is the plus and negative get cancelled. Only e raised to y remains at numerator, and denominator, when the bracket expansion is there, plus becomes minus and plus becomes minus. So apply the minus sign to both terms. So after applying, e raised to y get cancelled. What is remaining? Dy by dx equal to minus sign is remain e raised to y numerator and e raised to x denominator. So minus e raised to y into e raised to minus x, exponential property. When it is goes to numerator, having sign of the power is changes, plus becomes negative and negative becomes plus, remember. And according to formulas of exponential, this is the answer is x raised to y minus x. So this is the final answer according to we solve. And remember the formula, a raised to m into a raised to minus n, answer is a raised to m minus n. So this is the formula of exponential. So here we apply the formula of exponential and we complete the question. Question is simple, important. Why we not taking the log on both sides? Both terms are in plus. There is no answer of plus. So don't use the log in taking log both sides. Simple, take the derivative e raised to x as it is, e raised to y is a y divided by dx. E raised to x as it is, again take the derivative of x plus y means 1 plus dy by dx. Proper bracket expansion. Remember whenever we solving, taking write down the all dy by dx term on left hand side and all non dy by dx term on right hand side. Why? We taking the dy by dx common. After taking common, complete term is goes to divide. This is your answer, but when sometime answer is given for show that different, so just observe what is given, what we can replace. So e raised to x plus y here replaced by, so after substitute get cancel, this is our answer. And here we solve very simple formula, a raised to m into a raised to m, and according to that a raised to m minus 1 we solve. If base are same, write down the base single times, and addition subtraction of exponent, that is power. So according to that you solve. Question is here. And this is the last question today we complete. Simple question. What is given? E raised to x plus y. When there is a double raised to, solve by using the log. So taking log on both side, taking log on both side. Remember, जेव्हा आपण function raised to function observation, solve taking log on both side. And when raised to is given, again solve taking log on both sides. These two simple observation you have to remember, you can solve the question. So after taking log on both sides, we get log e raised to x plus y, and then log of x divided by y. So using the property of exponential, so here we get e raised to x plus y into log of e. And what is the answer of log of e? That is 1, remember. Here log x divided by y. So answer of log of e is 1. So therefore only remaining x plus y equal to, remember the property of logarithm when log of m divided by n is equal to log m minus log of n. So apply this property. So log of x minus log of y. Simple. Take the derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So take the derivative of this question e raised to x plus y, and derivative of this, that is log x minus log of y. First apply the d by dx on both sides. Then by using the simple formulas of derivative we solve. So tell me what is the derivative of e raised to x? Anyone? What is the derivative of e raised to x? That is e raised to x as it is. Here what is given? E raised to x plus y. So derivative is as it is. Again take the derivative of that function. So derivative of e raised to x plus y as it is, and derivative of that function completely, x is 1 and y is dy by dx, equal to, next log x, simple derivative 1 upon x, and next log of y, derivative is 1 upon y, wherever y is there, so take dy by dx. Left hand side, just make the bracket expansion. So after solving by using the bracket expansion, we get this multiply to both, so we get very simple observation, dy by dx equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y dy by dx. Remember, when you solve the question of implicit function, after taking the derivative, write all terms of dy by dx on left hand side and all non-terms of dy by dx on right hand side. So simple, we make here first term e raised to x plus y dy by dx. Next, this is the term, take at the left hand side, minus becomes positive 1 upon y dy by dx, equal to, already 1 by x is present. Also, we observe this is the term of non-dy by dx, take right hand side, so minus e raised to x plus y. Simple. Whenever there is a divide terms, make the cross multiplication. Here 1 upon y is there, make the cross multiplication, also taking dy by dx. So when we taking dy by dx common, what is present here? Y multiplied to this term, so y into e raised to x plus y, and then plus 1 divided by y. It's just simple cross multiplication. So what is the example here? Cross multiplication equal to x multiplied to this term minus x into e raised to x plus y divided by x. So simple, this term goes to that side. So we get final answer dy by dx equal to, so y is the divide, goes to numerator, and x is already at the denominator, into what is present inside the bracket, 1 minus x e raised to x plus y, and divided by 1 plus y into e raised to x plus y. So this is the final answer of this question. So very simple, again I revise, simple question I have. So taking log on function raised to function raised to raised to, solve taking log on both sides. This is the your exponent or power, goes to multiplication, log e, answer is 1, and after that write 1, so it is only, and by using this formula of log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log n, according to the property we after take derivative. So when we take the derivative, same derivative, and take the derivative of that function, x derivative is 1, y derivative dy by dx, log x derivative 1 upon x, and log y derivative 1 upon y dy by dx. Simple bracket expansion, and after the bracket expansion, take all dy by dx term to left hand side and non terms right hand side, taking dy by dx common. Simple, performing the cross multiplication, and this term left hand side completely goes to next term, next side, and we get the final answer. So in such way that we complete the 5 most important question. Remember that these are the 5 questions. भरपूर वेळेस क्वेश्चन मध्ये विचारले गेले, स्टेट बोर्डचे एक्झाम असो, सीईटीचे एक्झाम असो, म्हणून हे सिंपल आणि इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन आहेत. सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित करायचे, रायटिंग कंप्लीट करायची, मल्टिपल टाइम रिव्हिजन करायचं. तुम्हाला काही डाऊट असतील तो तुम्ही मला टेक्स्ट करू शकता. अँड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली फॉर तुम्हाला जर फिजिक्स अँड मॅथमॅटिक्सचे क्लास लावायचे तर डेफिनेटली तुम्ही अराईज अकॅडमी जॉईन करू शकता. आवर क्लास इज इन शिरपूर, महाराष्ट्र. So for class 11th and class 12th student can join our academy for study of mathematics and physics. So many things are here. तुम्हाला एकदम प्रिसाइज नोट्स मिळतील. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली आपण स्मार्ट बोर्डचं युटिलायझेशन करतो आणि प्रिसाइज नोट्स मिळतील. आफ्टर दॅट आपण वीकली टेस्ट असते. आफ्टर चॅप्टर फिनिश वी टेक 2 or 3 टेस्ट, MCQ टेस्ट, न्यूमेरिकल टेस्ट असते. भरपूर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व केले जातात. सो तुम्हाला जर प्रॅक्टिस करायची असेल तर डेफिनेटली तुम्ही अराईज अकॅडमी जॉईन करू शकता. अँड थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग द व्हिडिओज.